Before streaming premieres and social media announcements, one DJ could turn a song into an event. 15 years ago, Funkmaster Flex introduced the world to Jay-Z and Kanye's Otis. And the way he premiered it was one of the most unforgettable moments in hip-hop radio history. On July 20th, 2011, Hot 97's Funkmaster Flex premiered Otis, the lead single from Jay-Z and Kanye West's legendary collaboration album, Watch the Throne. The song sampled Otis Redding's classic Try a Little Tenderness and brought together two of the biggest artists in the world. But the premiere itself became just as memorable as the track. Flex's 22-minute radio segment featured 60 bombs dropped and 25 restarts as he built anticipation before finally letting listeners hear the track. This is Culture Class 365. I'm CClaxton, and I'm breaking down the story, styles, and movements shaping how we live, dress, and create. Today, artists can drop a song and have millions of people hear it instantly, but moments like this were different. Radio DJs had the power to create anticipation and make listeners feel like they were witnessing history. Hearing Otis for the first time wasn't just about the song. It was about being a part of the moment, and Funk Flex curated that moment. And if I'm being honest, I sometimes miss moments like this in music. There was something special about everyone tuning in to the one thing at the same time and not knowing exactly what they were about to hear and just no expectations. Flex didn't just premiere a record. He created an experience. Whether you were annoyed or not, it was an experience that everyone lived through at the exact same time. And the key takeaway here is that before social media controlled music rollouts, radio DJs controlled the moment. Funk Flex's Otis premiere is a reminder of how powerful anticipation and storytelling were in hip-hop culture. Let me know down below. What's another iconic hip-hop radio premiere that you remember? Put that comment in the comment box down below once again, and follow Culture Class 365 for more stories behind the moments that shaped music.